coffee lovers. This is the unboxing of the Delonghi Dinamica. Here we go. All right, let's see what's in here. We have some info, a nice cup. This says Eco Decock Mini. Also underneath, what do we have here? This looks like a filter. And the nice little serving cup. More paperwork. All right, moving on. Let's see. Here we go. This is the milk container. Slides out. Nice and shiny. And here's a little bit of directions about the coffee grounds and the beans. There's the back for you. And we will be doing a review on it as well. Stay tuned.